today we're unboxing the Nike Air Fear of God. Nike Air Fear of God 1 in the black colorway. It's released on December 15th. So right when you open the box, the first thing you see is a silver package, which contains white laces, aglets, or not aglets, but I guess something to crimp the laces, and a keychain, Nike Air Fear of God bag, like a tote bag. As you dig deeper into the shoes, I gotta say the packaging is pretty amazing on this. I mean, the shoe being $350, you would want pretty solid packaging. There's the first shoe. And the second shoe.
So why are these shoes so popular?
Well, so this is Jerry Lorenzo's
Who's that?
first Nike shoe. So he owns the label Fear of God. So he's from the same clique that includes Don C, Kanye West, Virgil Abloh of Off-White.
So there's like multiple Fear of God shoes, and this is like a collab?
Well, so his first collab was actually, I believe, with the Vans. So they had a classic Van silhouette with pretty much just a Fear of God logo all over it, and people just ate that up.
So Fear of God is like
Fear
a
of
brand.
God is like
Fear
a,
of God is
a clothing brand?
Yeah. So this
Okay,
is a
gotcha.
collab with Nike. It's his first collab with Nike. And what's unique about this shoe, over his previous collab with Vans, is this is actually a unique silhouette.
But is there any solo shoes for Fear of God, or is it just the collab with Vans and now the collab with Nike?
I'm pretty sure Fear of God doesn't have their own shoes. I'm not sure.
So they're no,
about that,
okay.
These
but
are pretty cool looking,
yeah.
but they're not for basketball.
No, I don't know how the hell PJ Tucker played in these. But then again, PJ Tucker plays in pretty much anything. So it's not really a good metric.
Jeez.
So is it like a walking shoe, casual shoe, just a gym shoe?
To me, it's more of a lifestyle shoe and more of a
It's definitely not a gym shoe.
flex shoe.
So you put these shoes, you go tucked, you go over the top, because it's kind of like a high top, right?
You go tucked.
Do they
You go
only come
tucked
in
or you
one
go
color right
rolled?
now?
No, so they come in a light bone color, which is more of a cream. But I
Like
think
this part is cream?
Yeah, the whole upper is cream. But I think.
And then what's the bottom? Cream still too?
Yeah. I
So it's
believe
more of like just a white on white shoe?
Yeah, but that one was a EU exclusive only. We got two versions of this shoe. One is a shoot around shoe that actually takes away the cage and puts a Nike logo instead.
Shoot around meaning basketball?
Supposedly, I don't know. I mean, it's way too heavy to be a basketball shoe realistically. But the materials are pretty high quality on
Yeah.
this. I mean, you can feel the suede and the mesh. It's pretty thick.
And you said that shoe looks just massive, but you said that's only an 8.5?
That is my size. It is an 8.5.
This definitely is not a basketball shoe because it doesn't like lock in your foot.
Well, there's no
at
ankle
all.
support.
Yeah.
I mean, it looks pretty flimsy, and there's no real like Velcro or clasps, and very little lace. So I mean, I don't know how you would even tighten that around your foot.
I'm not sure either.
I mean, definitely looks like just more the basketball turned casual. Like, doesn't one of the Jordan brands, like the ones or something, isn't that more of like a casual shoe than a basketball shoe?
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Well,
consider,
now
at
it
this
is.
point, I wouldn't consider the one a basketball shoe.
Yeah, so same kind of concept with
Yeah,
these,
I
right?
mean, to me, this is more of, like I said,
So these
it's a
seem like-
casual like shoe, and it's like a flex shoe.
And it's so
like, these
important-
are so limited in quantity as it is. So like, just
Is that the importance, the quantity, or is it just because Fear of God doesn't really do a lot of collabs, and is the collab with Nike, which is obviously one of the biggest
Yeah.
shoe brands,
well, I
iconic
think
shoe brands.
one, the quality of materials used is really good. The quantity definitely makes it more desirable.
How many
Do you
pairs
know
came
how
out?
many?
I'm not sure.
Give me a rough number.
I would probably say like 10 to 15,000 if I had
Just
to,
U.S. or worldwide?
worldwide.
Yeah, so it's pretty low.
Yeah.
I mean, Kanye handed out 10,000 Yeezys just for fun. So I mean, these
And
must be pretty
Kanye's
limited.
Kanye's last GR Yeezy was, I mean, they're all pretty much GR now, but when he re-released the creams, I mean, there were like more than like 1 million pairs.
So with these
So in
shoes,
comparison, you're not gonna see these sitting on shelves. They're gone. Like just to get this.
So how does someone get a pair of these shoes if they wanted one?
Raffles, pretty much. That's your only hope of getting this. Like, I got it through the Foot Locker app reservation.
And now just
So they're all
Secondary
sold out
market?
now.
Oh, they're
right. They're
yeah.
all sold out. So how does one get a pair if they're sold out?
To resell,
Okay.
which I think is upwards of $1,000 right now.
so you're paying $1,000 for these shoes. You wearing them, or are you just putting them on a display?
Depends. I mean,
They're nice to look at, but
I would wear them.
Are you wearing them? Are you tucking or rolling?
I'm tucking.
Tucking.
I'm tucking.
yeah, you gotta flex these guys.
I don't know. Some people like to roll. You gotta roll up the jeans on the bottom, show the shoe. Other people like to tuck. I don't know. I can't wear skinny enough jeans to tuck into those shoes.
I'm definitely tucking.
My calves don't allow it. Can't do it.
Yeah, they're pretty sweet though.
And these are just these going to be the hottest shoes of 2018.
Yeah,
I mean, to close out the year.
I'm pretty sure to close out the year, this is the hottest shoe.
So if they
Right
do
now.
well, then what? Fear of God too?
Yeah, I'd imagine. I mean, these have sold out. They're in demand.
10 seconds. Give me a preview. What's going to be the biggest shoe in the start of 2019? Is anything going to be bigger than this?
2019?
I mean, this year's over. So what's next? It's always on to the next thing. So 2019, start the year. Anything going to beat this out?
I'm sure there will be something. I just don't know what it is.
So right now,
Right now, this is the biggest shoe of 2018, I think.